So I just ripped my pants pretty bad. Don't bike in tight jeans. Never a good idea. What's up, everybody? So I've been filming all year long. One of the things I filmed back in February, it was like actually late February, and it was like 50, 60 degrees in the middle of February in Minnesota, which is just unheard of. I raced Jess from from Minneapolis to St. Paul, met up with our good friend Jay and his girlfriend, and then went to the RedBull Crashed Ice event, which they actually weren't gonna have that night due to the fact of how warm it was. It's a great time, enjoy. All right, meet you there.
See you there.
So I am heading on out solo from Minneapolis, heading over to St. Paul. Gonna go catch the Crashed Ice, RedBull's Crashed Ice event. Gonna meet Jess there, gonna try to race actually and try to beat her, so here we go. These sunken eyes and learn to see. There are so many people out, it's insane. But this is the first time ever that I've ridden bicycle in February 27th, and it's 55 degrees out. It's insane. It's absolutely insane, but it's awesome. I love it. Just a little ways further and then we'll get to Jay's house. That's where we're meeting before the RedBull Crashed Ice. I think I'm on pace to beat Jess. Making pretty good time right now. All right, so Jay's house is just down this hill. I'm walking my bike. So that's why, super steep. So update, beat Jess, biking. She's in an automobile, winner, but I still ripped my pants, so that sucks. I have to live with it now. Nothing I can do.
What up, buddy?
What's up? Hi, Jay.
Videotaping me?
I am.
Oh.
You're in my vlog.
Well, come and vlog this burger party.
Oh, can't even. Can you see it?
Oh man. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got like a chunk hanging down too.
Yeah. Well, it caught on my bike seat a few times, so that was real cool.
Right there.
I win.
You win what? You
The race.
You did get here quicker. You're right.
So Jay has been kind enough to make us some burgers before we head over.
Oh, she makes you happy, even though you're not. You woke up in that big machine and you drowned.
We're here. One thing I definitely want to do is get a Red Bull at this Red Bull event. Jay, what do you think?
I want a Red Bull too.
Jay wants a Red Bull too. And a Coke.
Let the man ring you out and you pretend that you don't know. Like you don't know. Like you don't know. Walking around with your hands stuck in the cookie jar. Hey buddy, you can get your hand out. You know you really could go far. But everybody, they need to know your number.
Can I get a Red Bull sugar-free?
That's just a display.
Where's that? Okay. You'd think it'd be a little easier to get your hands on some Red Bull, but apparently not. Come on, Red Bull, let's pick it up. You should have this stuff flowing like wine. Sugar-free? Got him. Gotta ride the bull, you know what I mean?
Run away. Well, she makes me happy, even though I'm not. I'm soaked up in that big machine and I'm drowned out in a shot, boy. Damn, goes away with
See you guys. I'm gonna go. Yeah. Going home? I got a bike, so.
Well, nice meeting you. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just leaving right now. There's a lot of people here. Still got a long ways to bike home. My bike crash nice. You know, it was fun. Thanks to Mayor Coleman and City of St. Paul for hosting once again. It's a great event for the city to host, and yeah, it's well put together.
Nowhere to hide in the grabbing on my fragile mind, so I go. Oh, they don't know what I know. They don't know, no, no, no. Don't know what I fucking know, yeah. We'll just end it right there.
Woo! So right now, Jess and I left the crashed ice, and we're sitting at our friend's leap year party. Yes, if you didn't know, it is leap year. February has an extra day. That was our friend Aaron. He's a very talented musician, and he's just out there jamming by the fire. It's fun. It's fun watching. Perfect time to end it. Never stop creating.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life.